Vicky here with you, and I'm here to do some swatching. I got these wonderful markers from Temu and I shared with you the unboxing, but now I really want to try them out. So what I did is I prepped them all, and now it's just a question of trying them out. So I've got 2 books. There's 12 pieces in here, which is amazing. You've got pretty much all the colors that you might need, and they're supposed to be water-based as well, so that's really cool. I am using some of my Diane Rively notebooks. I had already done some swatching, as you can see here, and I figured why not use this one to do the same. So obviously the black on black is not going to show much on the black, but the same as the white on white probably won't show all that much on the white. So here's the black. You can see it, but as it dries, I'm not sure how much of it will really show. So just want to make my life a little bit easier. So this is kind of a teal colored, very pretty, just the right amount of green and blue inside this. It's not quite of a green, but I think it's a nice one. Then you've got the yellow, and we shall see also has the dry. And then you've got the white, which obviously won't show as much on this paper, but it's kind of a beige, so you do see some of it. Then you've got the brown, and they're really fast to activate versus some of the other, like the Posca paint pen I find are very long to activate, not these ones. That's the gold. I love the gold, like it's very shimmery. I'm hoping that it stays that gold. Then you've got a pinkish red, and let's see for the silver one, which is really awesome as well, very shimmery as well. We've got kind of a pink. It's a nice blushy pink. An orange. A purple. So we've got plenty to play with, and I find like sometimes you really need those paint pens on some of your work, because it goes over some other mediums that won't take pens as well. So this is on the beige type of paper, and I should also, like, this is on a more white. That's when I did the I started them out, so you can see the difference between the two. And then you've got it on the black, and they're pretty dry, and you can really see them well. Like even the black is really shiny. So, and the gold and the silver stayed with their shimmer, which is awesome. And yeah, they're dry. So just figured I would share these swatching with you, because sometimes it gives a better idea of what the colors will look like, in case you're interested in checking out the paint pens. Paint pens can get very pricey, so I find that these are a really good deal. So anyway, that's it for now. I hope you've enjoyed this tiny video, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye. I also forgot to mention that the link to these products will be in the description box below, as well as a really big discount code, so go and check it out, in case you haven't realized that there's a big discount on top of the fact that the prices are really good. So yeah. that's it for now, for good. Bye.